Hey, Scout, what you got? Oh, boy, that's a big-ass bone, Scout. It's the parade of bones. What you got, Scout? Oh, good job. I'm sitting here, just started the day, my 100 milliwatt session this morning, and sadly, 10 meters is just dead. So, guys, if you're into trying to hear me or work me, if 10 meters is completely dead, just go refer to my schedule and see that at 9:10 I'll be on 15 meters, and at 9:20 I'll be on 20 meters. So, oh boy, that's how it goes, I guess. All it takes is one day with spectacular conditions, and I'm going to work Europe. I'm going to work William. And, yeah. And Stuart, I'm going to work you again, too. Stuart, man, our contact was the greatest of my life. I'll talk to you guys later. Wish me luck here. Bye.
US 0637, QSL. QSL, 73, thanks for being out there. All right, Tim, thank you for the part. Good luck on your activation in 73. This is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo, running 100 milliwatts.
India X-ray, I've got you 5-7, Eagle Island, Massachusetts. QSL, 5-6, November Charlie, thank you. All righty, thank you for the 5-6 in North Carolina, in 73. This is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
November 8, November Kilo, running 100 milliwatts.
I don't think I got this right. Whiskey, no. With the whiskey station...
Boy, these guys are fast on the mic. My problem is I'm adding the 100 milliwatt part, and it makes my transmission long.
Eagle Island, Massachusetts. Roger, 5-7, also 5-7, North Carolina. Thanks for the activation. You have a great day as well, 73.
QRPP.
Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
QRPP, November 8, November Kilo, 100 milliwatts.
Echo Tango, I've got you 5-9 plus, Eagle Island, Massachusetts.
I'm just going to start saying 100 milliwatts. And I'm not going to keep this thing recording.
5-9 Ohio, William, and 73. This is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
100 milliwatts, running 100 milliwatts.
Kilo Charlie 8, Sierra, Juliet Sierra. I've got you 5-9, Eagle Island, Massachusetts.
November 8, November Kilo in Michigan, MI, Michigan, and I'm running 100 milliwatts. Over.
Okay, I kind of make part of that out. I've got you a 3-3, Eagle Island, Massachusetts.
QSL, you are a 595959, state of Michigan, MI, Michigan, running 100 milliwatts. Over.
Down the 5-9 in Michigan. Thank you for the contact. Sorry it's not better, but you have a great day in 73.
73, thank you.
All right, this is Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, QRZ.
Alpha Charlie 1, Romeo Hotel, 1 in the books at 100 milliwatts. And he's hopefully not another POTA. I mean, not another POTA pirate. You know? Oh, dang. There we go. I worked him. Single sideband, 100 milliwatts PEP from Michigan to Massachusetts. Right on. That was fun. I got a logging.
I got you 5-8, Eagle Island, Massachusetts. QSL, you are 5-7 in East Tennessee this morning. All right, thank you for the 5-7. You just keep 5-9 now, so 5-9. But thank you for the contact in 73. QSL.
His name is Keith. Man, he's running through them pretty fast. He's getting the job done. Hey, Keith, even though you'll never see my video, thank you, old man, for sticking with it, hanging in there with me, man, and you work me. Thanks, Keith. Not many apps, well, I shouldn't say that. Not every app will do that. If you're not swinging the needle far to the right, they don't want to work you. It's cooking. Cooking. Let me turn the fan on. 100 milliwatts. Let me turn the volume down. Come on, guys. You can work me, man. If TI7W here can hear me, and my friend the VE6 can hear me, hey, if you're Canadian out there, don't hate on me, man, just because of Donald Trump. I think it would be awesome, just awesome, if Canada and the United States could merge and form one monster nation of freedom on Earth. That'd be unbelievable. I won't call you our 51st state. That's so derogatory. It's fucking awful to say that. But I would love to be one big nation of people. Anyway, I digress. VE6JY. Yeah, 2DB. TI7W, and he was at 6DB. I'll take it. I'll take it. Not bad for 100 milliwatts. Not bad at all. And having worked the state of Massachusetts, having worked the POTA op, Keith, a kick-ass POTA op, for his diligence in copying me. My hat's off to you, Keith, and thank you so much. 100 milliwatts single sideband, 20 meters. That's fun. That's fun. I'm starting to laugh like an ogre again.